Hello children, this is class 4 mathematics. The topic today we are going to learn term 2 geometry. Geometry. Okay, so listen the picture. We see patterns in tree, rivers, mountains, shells, clouds, leaf and more. Iterative is the repeated application of the process. So here in this class you are going to see how we use the shapes to form iterative patterns. Okay, how will you use the shapes to form iterative patterns? So first thing you want to know, draw a circle, spiral and oval. Okay, so first draw the shape circle, spiral, oval and color it. So now today you are going to do one activity relevant to the subject. So first the thing you need: paper, pencil and unused bottle cap and sellotape. Okay, so first take a sheet of paper, white paper, and keep the sellotape on it. So place properly. Make 2 or 3 holes in the bottle cap with help of your parents. Keep the bottle cap inside the sellotape and insert the pencil inside the hole. Hold the sellotape firmly. Draw a spiralograph by drawing a pencil here and there inside the sellotape. We will get the spirograph. Now you get the spirograph. See the picture, look like this. You can use bangles also. Okay, so this is example of spiralograph. Now let's see some visual examples for patterns of oval, spiral and bangles. Okay, so first, categories is example for oval shaped pattern. Do you see a cactus plant? Yeah, cactus is example of oval shaped pattern. So next one, let's see the next pattern. Shell of a snail. See, the shell of a snail is an example for spiral shaped pattern. See, the shell of the snail is the example for spiral shape pattern. See, it started at middle point, a starting point, roll and roll at end. Okay, the shell of the snail is one of an example of spiral shaped. Next one, bangles. Bangles represent the circle shape pattern. And we see some more examples of circle shape patterns. See, these are in circle shapes. We make some more drawing in circle. We make it a circle shape patterns. Students, let's see the visual examples in the surrounding like rangoli and spiralograph like this. Okay, so observe the patterns in the surrounding. So fill the rangoli, draw a rangoli and fill it the colors using your creativity. And let's see some petals of the flowers, also the examples of patterns. Okay, children, prepare your circle, ovals and spiral from the charts and use a color paper or a bead with thread colors. They prepared a patterns with the same like that. See, this is one example of patterns. So patterns in triangle. Okay, you also make like this. Okay children, now let's see exercise sum. This is exercise 1.1. Complete the pattern. You want to complete the pattern. So first thing, so observe the pattern, listen pattern. Okay, the first one is circle, then spiral, again circle, then spiral, so circle and spiral. So one by one it will change. So what comes next? See, spiral, so next circle, draw a circle. So next one, here draw a spiral like this. Okay, first one circle, spiral, circle, spiral, again circle, spiral. Okay, ma? So now let's see the next one. Oval. So oval pattern, straight and sidewise. Okay, so it's an increasing pattern. Design the first one and this side, right side one. Second one. This is the one group of the pattern. Next one and this side one. This is the increasing pattern. See, this is one and this oven is two ovens are. Okay, this pattern, this oven is one and here is two. So increasing pattern. So let's see the next one also. Straight one, right side 3. Okay, so increasing pattern. So what comes next? Same thing. Straight 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. So increasing pattern. This is called increasing pattern. Let's see the next one. And this is also repeated pattern. This is one group of this pattern is repeatedly formed. Similarly, third one also, straight and left. This is the one group of the pattern. Okay, again oval shape form. So here, want to draw like this. Okay, oval shape repeated. So oval shape repeated pattern. Okay, that's all children. I hope you all understand this concept. Okay, patterns is a circle and spiral and oval shape patterns. Okay, thank you children. Thank you for listening.